Have you ever wondered if there's more to your brain power than meets the eye? What if I told you that idea about only using a small part of our brains isn't true? Yup, it's time to debunk that myth and dive into what our brains are really capable of. So, let's explore. What if we could use all of our brain? Get ready to journey into the world of brains and discover the incredible possibilities that might be waiting inside each of us. Welcome to Theoretical Theater. Today we're exploring a fascinating question. What if we could use all of our brain? Let's debunk myths and discover the true potential of our minds. Get ready for a journey into the unknown. In the grand tapestry of human existence, few entities command as much fascination and reverence as the human brain. It stands as a testament to the intricate beauty of nature, a masterpiece of evolution that continues to elude full comprehension despite centuries of relentless study. From the ancient philosophers pondering its mysteries to modern scientists unraveling its complexities, the human brain has captivated the imaginations of generations, inspiring wonder, awe, and a relentless pursuit of understanding. At the heart of this fascination lies a persistent enigma, a tantalizing question that has pervaded popular culture and fueled countless debates. Do we truly harness the full potential of our brains? For decades, the notion that humans utilize only a fraction of their brain's capacity, often cited as a mere 10%, has persisted like a stubborn rumor in the collective consciousness. This myth, propagated through literature, cinema, and casual conversation, has woven itself into the fabric of modern society, sparking curiosity about the untapped reservoirs of cognitive prowess that lie dormant within each individual. Yet, like a mirage in the desert of scientific inquiry, the origins of the 10% brain myth remain shrouded in mystery. Despite its pervasive influence, there is no single identifiable source responsible for its widespread dissemination. Instead, it thrives on the allure of its narrative, the promise of latent superhuman abilities waiting to be unleashed, hidden within the labyrinthine corridors of the mind. But the pursuit of cognitive excellence extends beyond the confines of intellectual endeavor. It encompasses a holistic approach to brain health that addresses various lifestyle factors, including diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Proper nutrition, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress reduction techniques all play crucial roles in supporting brain health and optimizing cognitive function. Moreover, the importance of social connection and meaningful engagement cannot be overstated. Human beings are social creatures by nature, and our interactions with others play a vital role in shaping our cognitive development and emotional well-being. By fostering meaningful relationships and participating in activities that bring joy and fulfillment, individuals can nourish their minds and souls, laying the groundwork for a life of purpose and fulfillment. In essence, the quest to unlock the full potential of the human brain is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, a journey that transcends the boundaries of science and delves into the realm of human potentiality. It is a journey that calls upon us to embrace the complexity of our minds, to nurture our bodies and souls, and to strive relentlessly for excellence in all aspects of our lives. And though the road may be long and fraught with challenges, the destination is one of boundless possibility, a destination where the true depths of human potential await, ready to be explored and unleashed upon the world. As we conclude our exploration into the mysteries of the human brain, I leave you with a question to ponder. What untapped potential lies within your own mind, waiting to be discovered and unleashed? I encourage you to share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Let's continue this conversation and embark on a journey of discovery together. Don't forget to subscribe to Theoretical Theater for more captivating content that challenges, inspires, and expands the boundaries of human knowledge. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and never cease to wonder at the incredible complexity and beauty of the human mind.